Is play school a profitable business? How much money can I make from a preschool within 1 year of establishing it? Namaste, I'm Sushma Kanchi. I'm an entrepreneur author. We are into preschool and daycare services. So whoever wants to start, they first want to know that is it really a profitable business. So before going into that, I have lot of questions here. Please get a pen and paper and note down these questions and ask yourself all these questions to make you understand about the profitability of the business. So number one, how much you want to invest as a capital investment before you launch your school. So what comes under capital investment when it comes to play school? Your infrastructure cost. Then, do you want to invest for curriculum? So if yes, how much? Three, in the infrastructure there are again many things. Do you want to have wooden flooring? One. Do you want to have colorful paintings for your building? Three, how much you want to invest for the play equipment? Four, how much you want to invest for educational aids? So these all are comes under capital investment. And this registration of the school. So you please list down how much you want to invest before you set up the school, set up cost. Then the question you need to ask yourself, do you want to open it in your own building or a rented one? You can take it for lease. So if it is your own building, how many teachers you want to recruit, how many helpers you want to or caretakers you want to recruit, are you providing the transportation? If you are providing the transportation facility, which vehicle you want to, commercial vehicle you want to take, what is the EMI on monthly basis, in how many years you are going to close it, what is the salary of the driver, how much you want to pay for the teacher. So these all are and if it is not your own building, what is the rent of the building? So ask these questions, what could be the monthly expenses? Not only that, there will be marketing cost also, where you need to invest money for designing the website and making advertisement on Google, Facebook and other social platforms. So these all comes under advertisement cost. So list down all these questions and ask yourself how much you want to invest. And then once you finalize your location, in that location do the research and try to answer yourself all these questions, and what is the profile of that area, how many children can you expect. See, if you take our case, so based on the profile of the area, we expected around 50 children in the first academic year, but we got only around 8 children and we got a cash flow of just 80,000 for 1 year, where we have invested around 10 lakhs of capital investment and there are 12 lakhs of operational cost, and on top of it there are other expenses where we jumped into investing around 30 lakhs in the business just by getting a cash flow of 80,000 in hand. So because in the area the profile is good, there are a lot of children, but at the same time there is a lot of competition as well. Within 3 kilometers of the school there are around 30 schools. So you need to do your market survey well before jump and conclude is it a profit. Every business is a profitable business if you do it in a right way. So ask all these questions. Please do proper research. Please just don't jump into listening to. So if you before you establish, see what will be there in your mind, like in that school there are 100 children. Of course there can 100 registration can happen, admissions can happen in a school. It depends, like if there are no schools in that area, and how well is your infrastructure, how well is your curriculum, what are all the factors teachers, parents are considering to launch their children. So you need to consider all these things before jump and conclude whether it's a profitable business or not. Have all these questions and answers ready with you before you launch your school. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions related to opening up a preschool, please comment in this video. Thank you so much.